In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get IKEA student discount codes. Whether you're revamping your dorm room or simply looking to update your personal space, IKEA student discounts can make a significant difference in your budget. Let's explore how you can take full advantage of these savings. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. We need to perform a simple search to kick off this process. In the search bar, type in IKEA student discount and hit enter. A series of search results will pop up, guiding you toward your next steps in securing a discount code. Once the search results appear, you'll want to look for a result titled Qualified Students Save 15% with Student Discount. Click on that link, which should direct you to IKEA's dedicated page for student discounts. Here, you'll discover preliminary details about the types of discounts available and the current percentage off. This is an essential starting point to understand the scope of savings you could tap into. Now, you need to read about who qualifies for the IKEA student discount. This section will typically outline the eligibility criteria, and it is an important step, as you need to ensure that you meet all the requirements to take advantage of the discount. Often, this includes providing proof of student status, such as a university email or student ID. Familiarize yourself with these conditions to avoid any hiccups when you attempt to use the discount. The next step is browsing online for additional coupons. Sometimes IKEA offers additional savings not explicitly mentioned on their main student discount page. Use your browser to explore other reputable websites that might host IKEA discount codes, as you might discover further opportunities for saving. After thoroughly investigating, return to your search results and click on the link for a 63% student discount code available in October 2025 at Student Beans. This link leads to another potential source of significant savings beyond the basic 15%. When you land on this page, verify the validity and the terms associated with this particular discount, ensuring it suits your purchasing needs. Lastly, make sure you read the terms and conditions associated with your chosen discount code. Each code may come with specific usage rules or product limitations. Once you've got a firm grasp of these, copy the discount code and have it ready for your shopping cart. When you're at checkout, paste the code into the designated discount code field. After applying it, you should see the adjusted total reflecting your savings. And there it is. That covers everything you need to know to secure and utilize IKEA student discounts to their fullest potential. Happy shopping and saving.